actually have energy to put on makeup today. High five! Hi everyone, hope you're having a good day so far. We are heading out to a blueberry and animal farm located roughly an hour away. But before we get there, we are going to have some lunch first. We are at Red Robin's, just trying to get lunch first before we head out. Hi! I think my family, yeah, thank you. It's getting a lot of people now. Let's go! Hey! Okay, we're getting ready to go to the blueberry farm. After lunch, we continue to drive for roughly 20 minutes to reach today's destination. It's super sunny and hot today. It's perfect for the kids to run around and see some animals. Also pick blueberries for the first time. We're here. Just parked our cars and we're gonna go in. It's so pretty. So beautiful.
Is this somebody's house?
Mm-hmm. They live in there, yeah. Look how pretty.
What's that? What's inside there? Mommy, there's a playground.
Oh, there's a playground?
Can we play there?
Yeah, sure, you can play there. Look how beautiful. They even have a playground for the kids.
Pet the llama.
Yeah, let's go see the animal, the llama. We're here for the llamas. Let's go see the llamas. What we're here for. Yeah, I know. Yeah, after we feed the animals, maybe.
Yay!
We're gonna pick the blueberries afterwards, okay, at the end? Come on! Come here! Food's here! Come on! Come on! I don't think they're hungry. Come on! Look how cute they are! The way that they shaved them. Oh, jeez. So cute! I don't think they're hungry right now. They're not really getting, like, lured by the feed. There's so many of them.
Okay, you three people sit. I take a picture. I take a picture.
They're so cute. Look.
Come back, please.
Run to the wall.
Oh, he's
Mommy, can you touch the llama?
Yeah, you can touch him when you're feeding him. You can touch him. Hi.
When you feed him, you can.
Hello. Hi, cutie. Hello.
Hey, you scared me. You want more?
Then wash my hands, Mom.
Yes. Oh, I don't have the wet wipes. Did he eat it?
I ate it. I
You ate it?
touch it.
I love this one. He's the cutest thing ever.
Mommy, come.
Okay.
So many bunnies.
Really? Oh yeah, there's so many inside. There's so many of them inside. I don't know if you can see it. They're all resting. It is hot today outside. That's why I don't blame them. You want to stay inside. Hi. Hi, cutie. Oh, he's the cutest thing. Are you not the cutest thing ever? You are so adorable. You're so cute. Blueberry farm. After the bunnies, we finally convinced the kids to leave the bunnies for now and walk 5 minutes to pick some blueberries. find the biggest blueberries for me. Who can find the biggest blueberry? Let me see that. Let me see what you got.
Two of them.
Whoa, that's pretty big. Yeah.
Mommy, I got this two
Oh,
big
these two are pretty big too. Good job. Let me
ones.
see.
This is small.
Oh, yeah, it is small, huh?
Come on, get it.
Look at our blueberry pickers. They're having so much fun.
How many of them?
Having so much fun. So pretty.
And then you do.
We're gonna try to feed them. The kids are absolutely having so much fun here.
Well, he's eating. Wait. Too much. He only have one mouth.
Okay, that's okay. Oh, there's another one coming.
Mommy, oh, that's funny.
We order some drinks. So pretty. Sorry. Oh, no, it's okay. Look at the jams. There's blueberry jams. There's honey. Wow, so much stuff here. Yeah, the llamas. Oh my gosh. Oh, they have like dried fruits. Hi guys, it's been the whole day. We roughly picked 6 pounds of blueberries today. So we're probably gonna make it into jams or like chocolate blueberries and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you next time. Bye!